In this video, I will show you how to add table in Elementor. Let's get started. So what you can do is you can just head over and install Elementor right here, as well as this Elements Kit Lite. So once you have installed those two plugins, we need to head over to the page that we want to edit. So I have this page right here. I'll just head over and add in here some few things. Click on this add new container and then choose the flex box you want to use. So for me, I'll just choose flex box and also this case right here in order to determine my actual status. Now you can also change the height that you use for this case. So as you can see, I have changed it into be like this. And once it's been added, you can see in here that they have this plus icon. So in here, you can add a widget. So let's search in here for table. And then as you can see, we have in here this TablePress. So this TablePress is available as e-kit, which is our Elements kit. So let's head over and add this right here. And then as you can see, it will install this. So we need to install the TablePress plugin. So let's head over right here to our plugin and let's add a new plugin in this case. So search in here for TablePress. And then you should be able to see some search results related to that. And you have in here some WordPress editing toolkit and also all of this case right here. So what you can do is you can head over and then just install the ones that they have for you. Let's install this TablePress right here. And then click on this install and activate in order to install and activate this particular plugin. So as you can see right here, TablePress has been installed. So what we can do is we can click in here in order to add a new table. So let's head over and click on this add new right here. And then once we have done that, we should be able to add in here the table name. So for example, let's name this students. And you can also put in here a description as well as the numbers of rows and also the number column. Now click on this add table right here. And now once you have done that, this will load right here in order to edit the table that you have just made. So just head over and paste in here the table. And now I have added this, so head over and click on this Save Changes right here. Now we can also see in here the shortcode that they have. And now we have in here our Elementor, so let's refresh our site right here. And now as you can see, this has changed. So select in here a table, so the table students will be added right here. And then as you can see, the table has now been added to our website page. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, leave a like or subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you soon.